Welcome to the sizzling streets of Turkey, where we're about to uncover the secrets of crafting an authentic doner kebab right in your own kitchen. Join us as we dive into the world of doner kebab magic. Let's start with the key ingredients you'll need for this flavorful masterpiece. From boneless lamb or chicken to aromatic spices and fresh vegetables, we've got everything you need to recreate this iconic street food sensation. Now it's time to marinate the meat. Combine the ingredients, ensuring the meat is well coated with the flavorful marinade. Then, let it marinate in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight, for maximum flavor. Next, we move on to the preparation and cooking process. From preheating the grill to grilling the skewers to perfection, we'll guide you through each step to ensure your doner kebab turns out just right. Once the meat is cooked, it's time to serve. Warm the flatbreads or pita, remove the cooked meat from the skewers, and top it with fresh vegetables and a generous amount of Greek yogurt and tahini sauce. Finally, it's time to wrap and enjoy. Fold the flatbread around the flavorful filling, creating a delicious doner kebab wrap. Serve immediately and savor the authentic taste of this street food sensation. And there you have it, the secrets to crafting an authentic doner kebab right in your own kitchen. We hope you enjoy making and indulging in this delicious recipe. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Afiyet olsun, bon appetit!